Section 1. The letter D. A delicious journey begins. The letter D is more than just a letter. It's a gateway to a world of delicious foods, amazing animals, and fascinating objects. From the sweet taste of a donut to the majestic presence of a dinosaur, the letter D opens up a world of discovery. In this exploration, we'll embark on a journey through the alphabet, uncovering the wonders that begin with this intriguing letter. Get ready to learn about yummy foods like donuts and dates. We'll explore the world of dinosaurs, dodos, and dolphins, and we'll discover dazzling objects like diamonds and important documents. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure. The world of D awaits. Let's dive in and explore the many facets of this fascinating letter. Our journey will take us from the kitchen table to the museum hall and beyond. Section 2D is for delicious foods that start with D. Our first stop takes us straight to the kitchen, where delicious D foods await. Donuts with their sugary glaze and sprinkles are a classic treat. Dates, a chewy and sweet fruit, offer a taste of the Middle East. But the world of D foods doesn't stop there. Durian, a pungent fruit from Southeast Asia, is known for its unique aroma. And dill, a fragrant herb, adds a fresh flavor to dishes. From sweet to savory, crunchy to creamy, the letter D offers a diverse range of culinary delights. So next time you're looking for a tasty treat, remember the letter D. Section 3D is for dinosaurs, amazing animals of the past and present. Let's travel back in time millions of years. Dinosaurs, the giants of the past, roamed the earth. From the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex to the gentle Stegosaurus, dinosaurs continue to fascinate us. But D animals aren't just creatures of the past. Today we share the planet with dolphins, intelligent and playful marine mammals. Dogs, our loyal companions, bring us joy and companionship. The animal kingdom is full of fascinating creatures, and the letter D introduces us to some of the most amazing ones, both extinct and extant. Section 4D is for dazzling, sparkling objects and intriguing items. Diamonds with their brilliant sparkle are a girl's best friend. These precious stones, formed under immense pressure, are a symbol of love and luxury. Documents, from ancient scrolls to modern contracts, hold stories and information. They tell us about the past and shape our future. From the tangible to the intangible, the letter D encompasses a wide range of objects and concepts that shape our world. Section 5D is for destinations discovering places around the world. Our final stop takes us on a journey around the globe. Denmark, a country in Northern Europe, is known for its fairy tales and happy citizens. Dubai, a city in the United Arab Emirates, is a hub of modern architecture and luxury shopping. From bustling cities to quiet towns, the letter D leads us to diverse and fascinating destinations. Whether it's exploring the canals of Amsterdam or the deserts of Djibouti, the world is full of places waiting to be discovered. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and let the letter D be your guide to exploring the world.